How y'all doing? Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm saying welcome because I've changed the name. So if you're watching this video, this is a new video. Also, happy new year. I know it's been like 6 months since I posted a video, but there's an explanation for that. That is why I look like this today, because I'm going to be doing a skincare get ready with me life update kind of situation. You know the vibe. Today I'm going to be reviewing this and unboxing this as well. So let's get into it. You know them, it's a Corsx thing. If you're into skincare, that's been trending. I've recently been into skincare. Is it working? I don't know, don't tell me, but it's fulfilling to do at the end of the day. You know, like you're focusing on yourself, you're serious on yourself. So I actually love skincare. It's like me time, so I'm enjoying it. So first off, life update. What have I been up to in life? Last time I was here, I attended a tech conference. I was working for this tech company and I do not work for them anymore. It was a very, very bad experience, to say the least. So that did not work out. Before you're nosy and you ask me why it didn't work out, I was underpaid, overworked, and my boss was very condescending and irritating. So that is one of the reasons why I stopped working for that company. So this says low pH morning gel cleanser, and you're supposed to just like wash your face with it. So I'm just going to put that, scrub, get into the face, and then I'll rinse it up and come back. So with life, I am still single, which at this point doesn't even surprise me, because whenever I get into like talking stages, I'm just like, what is going on with these people? Like, people are so irritating these days that I don't know. Like, it has to be me though. It has to be me. And the reason why I'm single, I'm not blaming men. It is me. I am picky. I sometimes don't know what I want, and I also have like a very specific idea of the kind of person I want to date. So unless I'm meeting that person, I'm sorry, I'm not settling for less. And if anything in the world has taught me, is that men will not settle for less. Like, you could literally be a 10 over 10 and then you have like one broken tooth or something and the guy will not like you. So why should I be settling for like 2 over 10 guys just because I'm single? Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Also, it's like a new year, so priorities. I've gone back to school and you will not believe it, I'm even in my final year. Like, if you would have told me 2 years ago that I was going to go back to school and I was going to last this long, I would have refused. But I've started school and I like school. I mean, except these last 2 semesters were very irritating and I was questioning my life every other day. I feel like I'm doing this very wrong. So hold on, let me just stand to the mirror and figure this shit out. Okay, vigorously scrub. If you're a skincare person and you come for my routine, please, I beg, that one's your business. I am just reviewing this thing. And why is this thing so dry? It is very, very dry. I forgot one very, very important thing about love life. There's love at home. Find people that love you. Find your friends, build a community, your family. Find people that love you and focus on those people that love you, so that when these 2 over 10 guys are giving you the bare minimum, you will not be searching for it because someone's giving you attention when your family literally loves you a lot. So please, I beg, you people should go and find people that love you. I found people that love me and that's enough for me. So when I meet these bare minimum guys and I'm on these terrible dates, I'm just like, there's love at home, there's love at home, there's love at home, there's love at home. And I leave the date and I know not to ever call that guy back, because you know, like sometimes when you go on bad dates, you're like, oh, let me just call this guy. No, don't call the guy. I'm back. So let's talk about finances. This year, like, what's my financial situation? Last time I was here on YouTube, I was showing you guys that we launched the store. I think 3-4 days ago, I recently had an official launching of the shop. It was great. It set me back financially again as well, but it's life. And also, I want to go on a vacation, so be ready for vlogs. So that's going to set me financially back as well. So I want to go on like a very affordable vacation on a budget, because you know me, I like to enjoy but I don't like to spend the money. So financially wise, I think I'm still getting there. I'm still like trying to build wealth for myself, and also stay within the budget of like buying stuff I like, saving money, investing money. So financially, if I could rate myself, I think I'll give myself like like a 4/10. I want to say 5, but I don't think I'm where I see myself financially. I mean, like, I just turned 25, so yeah. And also I turned 25. It's crazy. I mean, like, I didn't cry on my birthday, which was fun. My birthday, I felt so much love. It was just like a very lovely atmosphere. Even though I was writing exams that period, but I was just like enveloped in love. So I was like, is this what 25 feels like? I think so far being 25 has been great. Great. Let's move on to health. So for health, I haven't yet lost weight. At this point, I'm using this clarifying toner. I haven't lost weight. Like, I've been so focused on losing weight that at some point I'm just like, what is this losing weight talk even? And also, like, I'm so focused on wanting to go back to the size I was when I was like 18 years old. And that's like how many years ago? Like, Tina, be realistic. You can like actually get to that size with a lot of work and discipline, but I'm also not known for being disciplined. Okay, I can only be financially disciplined and be disciplined in love, and I don't know, I can only do so much, you know. So when I don't think I like this Corsx product because I'm just gonna say a side note. I don't think I like this product because other products that I use, like when you put them on your skin, they're like they flow easily. This one is very like, what is this even? Like my other toner, when I use it, it's you're really like feeling it clarifying and toning your skin. But this one, I'm getting zilch out of it, and also it is so hard. Anyways, so I haven't lost weight that I really wanted to lose. I really want to be like a skinny girl for the wrong reasons. So when I think of being skinny, I'm just like, do I want to be skinny because I like being skinny, or do I want to be skinny because I think I will attract the kind of men that I like? Because
I mean, I was playing.
I don't feel myself. I don't like stand naked in front of my mirror for long hours. And I want to be able to do that, you know, like I just want to be able to get in front of my mirror, wear lingerie, feel good, feel sexy. I haven't done that in a while. These days when I look like when I like dressing in front of the mirror. When I dress in front of the mirror, I just wear my clothes quickly and move on. Cause then I have to start pointing out this. So I will shed pants, and to that effect I've stopped drinking soda. I know it's only been maybe 2 weeks, but I've just stopped it, and I hope it goes a long way. I can only maybe drink soda in cocktails, which hasn't helped because I've gone for a lot of cocktail parties. So yeah, that's for health. I would also like to point out that I've been going on like physical exercises and excursions and just generally being outdoorsy so that I can engage in more physical activity and just be more mindful of my health. You're going to see vlogs on that in the future. Ooh, also, guess what? I removed my keloid. It wasn't even emotional. Let me not be dramatic like that. This one time I went to my tailor, and then she was like talking about it, and she was like, what's happening behind your ears? Like, you can see it from the front. Yeah, if you can see it from the front, it means that it has overstayed its welcome. So I went and I chopped it off, and yeah, it feels really weird now because I'm used to having like this fat thing behind my ear. Now my ear is just flat and normal. I don't think I like it, but please, killer, don't come back. Also health wise, I think so far I want to try like some surgeries, like cosmetic procedures, but I don't know. Also, my parents also finally found out about my tattoo. My mom had a fit, but I think that's about it. I think for this donor thing, I've done the most. It don't do. Let's talk about having kids. I still do not want to have children. And also, I think that's the reasonable thing to say because I'm not in a relationship, so why would I want to have children? And also, I'm going to be very traditional. I only want to have kids like if I'm married to the father of my future kids. This is the snail machine 96. This thing is the only reason why I have to bought the set. I was intrigued by it, and I was like, you better solve all of my problems.
You better fix my entire life, you little shit.
I think that's what has been up with me so far. So far so good. I am still not a baby mama. I'm still very much childless. I am growing financially and educationally and health wise. In fact, I'm growing. So that's basically it. I feel like I should do a get to know me. That one will be more structured. Now that we're done with the skincare, let's talk about channel update, what to expect, what's happening. I changed my channel name because it was much needed. I think the previous name was Lifestyle by Cam, and because it was Lifestyle by Cam, I put myself like in this box. I could only do stuff that was like Lifestyle by Cam. If I wanted to do like a sewing tutorial, I'll be like, is it really? If I wanted to do a vlog, I'll be like, is it really? If I wanted to do just a cute fun video, I'll be like, is it really? So I decided to change the name, and also because I wanted to just brand myself as a whole. So I went with Enwa. My name is Enwa, in case you guys do not know. So it's like with Enwa. I'm taking you guys along this journey with me to talk about like stuff, to do DIYs, to do vlogs, to do fun things, to do crazy things, because I feel like my personality doesn't show much on my YouTube videos. I'm actually very fun. If you get to know me, and the fact that you're subscribed to my channel, you should be able to know me. It's not like you're a stranger who just met me on the road and then I have to be like quiet. You met me on YouTube, you have subscribed to my channel, we are friends, we're family over here. So I feel like the boring stiff personality that you people knew, that was not really me. I was trying to be professional, but also it made me hate YouTube. Like I really hated coming, like every time I thought about filming a video, I'm like, ugh, all these guidelines I have to follow, all of these silly little things I have to do. It was very irritating. And also I just wanted to be like a fun experience, like you're getting on a fun journey with me, I'm getting on a fun journey with you, we're doing new things, we're discovering new things together. It's like, you know, just let me sit back down, watch this video, get to know this new thing, and that is how it's going to be onward for my channel. I will say that I have a couple of videos that I already like, they're currently in my unlisted folder with like the old editing and filming style, so pardon me if you get those videos, but you guys will know like the difference if I post my new videos. And I feel like I've made this video so long enough, so I'm going to leave a document down below which like built up to this whole thing and shows you guys what you'll be expecting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you didn't miss me too much. Please continue subscribing to my channel, and thank all of you who understood that I had to go away. And yeah, so love you guys, bye.